Hey everyone. So I haven't done one of these updates in a while, but a new grow light company just sent me over a light to try out. So I figured now's a good time to give a quick update on everything that I've been working on in the past couple of months while I unbox the light in the background. So building hemp in a pot from scratch has been taking up a lot of my spare time these days between getting the website up and running and creating like 2 to 4 videos a week. Although now that it's doing pretty well as a standalone channel, I'm able to pull back a little and just do a video a week now. There's something I'm not sure what to do about though, so I'm just going to throw this out there and let me know what you think. There are a lot of time-lapse hemp grows that I'm currently making into grow logs, and I'm debating between either just posting it on Hemp in a Pot or making 2 separate videos of the same grow, with the Hemp in a Pot video talking about the hemp and medicinal side of the plant, and the Weed in a Pot video talking more about the technical side of the grow, since growing hemp is exactly the same process as growing cannabis. This way, it saves me some time in being able to edit both at the same time, and I'll be able to post more grow logs on this channel. But for, anyone subscribed to both channels, it'll be a little redundant. So let me know in the comments, because there's a lot of subscribers to Hemp in a Pot that's not subscribed to this channel, and vice versa. These lights are interesting. So I'm not sure if Quantum Board is a name, horticulture lighting group. I know they created the phrase for their own grow light boards, but I don't know if the term can only be used for their boards or if it's some kind of general term for LED diodes spaced evenly on a circuit board. But yeah, the company that makes this light states that it's a quantum board, and it's clearly their own design just by looking at the spacing of the LEDs. But they do use Samsung diodes, which are the really efficient LEDs. So it'll be fun to try this out in the large grow tent. There's also no fan or heat sinks on this. It's just mounted onto a large metal slab. So that should be interesting to try out. But yeah, as for what's coming up, I'm finishing up the last of my hydroponic grow tests to round out all of the popular hydroponic grow methods. So you'll be seeing things like aeroponics, nutrient film technique, and beta bucket grows, pretty much the harder of the hydroponic setups, in the near future, along with a lot of fun grows in between. And for those constantly asking, I'll also make a full cannabis hydroponic grow guide once everything's done. But that probably won't happen until at least middle of next year or so. But if you don't want to wait that long, remember our patrons on Patreon get access to all the videos 3 months in advance, as well as an advance free copy of all of my grow guides when they're done. Shameless plug. And that's basically it for now. Thanks everyone for the support, and I'll talk to you soon.